What's up, Mob Crew? I'm Chris. In today's video, we're going to break down the body cam footage and more specifically the audio from the body cam footage, not the fake audio, but the audio from the body cam footage. And there is what sounds to be like a scream heard, and I think I might know what it is. And so I'm going to go ahead and play the video first. So they released the full body cam footage between the two officers that were out there responding to some kids that were underage drinking. As you can see, the time up here, it's a little past 3 a.m. 3:12. He gets out of the car. He's going to start issuing the citation to the kids. Pretty much about to finish up, and there's something that's heard on video, and then we'll break it down. So I'm going to play this first.
All right.
I'm going to play that back one more time. And so I wanted to break it down, expand the audio, and see if we can figure out what that sound is. And so I kind of basically shortened the audio and just to where it's the scream, and then I've kind of enhanced it. So I'll play the regular sound and then the enhanced version, what a normal scream sounds like, and then what I think it probably most likely is. And now I'm going to play an incident where a woman was trying to be abducted into a car, and she screams. So I'm going to go ahead and play that.
Oh.
And so now this is what I think it might be.
Your brakes ever squealed? Your brakes ever squealed? Your brakes ever squealed?
So that is a recording of some brakes that squeal. I think that's a good possibility of what we're hearing is possibly somebody that's driving some distance away that has some squealy brake pads.
Your brakes ever squealed? Your brakes ever squealed? Your brakes ever squealed?
As my chat said, I just did a live. It sounds more mechanical than like a scream. We don't know 100% one way or the other, but just from the research that I've done, I think I would lean more towards something kind of mechanical, like some squeaky brakes, squealy brakes, something like that. So let me know what you guys think it is in the comments down below. Please share this video with a friend. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And please consider supporting this channel by becoming a member. And thank you guys so much.